We did not like potatoes until we started making our potatoes this way. Hi, welcome. This is Ekafam lifestyle. Today we are making pomme de terre gratin. Pomme de terre gratin is a delicious potato porridge. You will ask for more. We have here 2 kilos of potatoes, neatly washed and cut into cubes. We just put them inside the pot and added 1 liter of milk. Here we have about 500 grams of carrots. We washed them and cut into cubes, set it aside. And we also make use of onion, chop the onion. The potatoes, we allow it to cook. While stirring it at interval, we added some butter, about 10 grams of butter. We added seasoning, black pepper, and salt to taste. Then we stir it. At this point, the potato is soft, so we added the onion. And about 2 tablespoonfuls of flour, and mix it. We also added about 5 grams of cheese and set it aside. Moving over to the beef, here we have about 700 grams of grounded beef, carrot, the onion, and I'm going to list all these ingredients in the description box. Okay, so we just added a little vegetable oil inside the saucepan and added the beef and allow it to fry while we added the seasoning. We're using barbecue seasoning. I'm gonna put it in the description box. As I said, barbecue seasoning, there's garlic. We didn't add salt because the barbecue seasoning has salt. So we added the onion and allow it to cook. Also the carrot. Time to combine the potatoes and the beef together. I want to mention here that the remaining cheese, I just added it to the beef, and I mix it. Time to mix. We added the remaining cheese, spread the porridge, put it inside the oven to bake for about 15 to 20 minutes in the temperature of 200 degrees. It came out so beautiful and delicious. Pomme de terre gratin is so delicious that we could not even wait and allow it to cool before eating it. It's so delicious. Just try it if you've not had this before. It's super delicious, and my family love it. Thank you so much for watching. It's yummy. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, and share. Thank you for your subscription, and do have a beautiful day. Thank you.